to learn English from mistakes with Benny Mook. Chapter 74. Professor South and Benny Mook work together to help you learn real English. Back to basics. 重新回歸基本功 Part 2. Let's learn English from zero, from scratch, making the correct L and R sounds. 我哋要做出正確嘅呢兩個發音。Don't say L, R. They should be L, R. Okay, look at this picture. It's like to push the tongue against the top teeth. Okay, 你先頂上上排牙齒。Like, for example, fly, not fly. Dry clean, not 齋 clean. Plus, not pass. Place, not pace. Clear, not Kia. Claim, not cam. Clock, not cat. Complain, not campaign. Complete, not compete. Plan, not pen. Block, not ball. Click, not kick. Club, not cup. The L sound at the end of the words sounds deeper, longer, and sounds like O. For example, sale, not sell. Cool, not cool. Deal, not deal. Girl, not girl. The R sound is like to make dogs growling sounds. 捲脷發出嘅狗吠聲。For example, sorry, okay, don't say sorry. Very, not very. Zero, not zero. Wrong, okay, not wrong, like Mr. Wong. Free, not fee. Price, not price. Train, not train. Put me through, not put me through. Throw it away, not throw it away. Brilliance, not billion. Friday, not Friday. And brand, not band. Tradition, not tradition. Results, not result. Break, not big. Friend, not fan. Read, not read. Room, okay. Red river, credit card, from streams. Thank you.